Hi guys, I am Isha Shah Rose. I have created this video to promote author Isha Shah. Isha is author and writer. She has completed her graduation from the one of the best universities at United States. She is author, inspirational speaker, writer and publisher. Till now she has written 8 book titles of her books which are following: Fashion Diaries, Fashionista, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, Be a Dreamer, Confidence Produces Strength, Positive Affirmations, The Magic of Thinking Big, Give Rise to Faith, and Precious Daily Insights. You will find all of her titles on Amazon.com website by searching Aisha Shah. The spell is AESHA And my today's broadcast is all about create positive difference in the world. Guys, it's about author Aisha Shah's third book, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, which targets each and every age group of the people, and I am providing short preview of her third book, Mindfulness and Stress Relief. Today once again I let go of wanting someone to be more like me. There is no right here, only finding a way to come together and help relieve suffering. Others may find that distraction works well to keep the mind otherwise occupied. Compassion and reassurance from the other also brings comfort. When we are in pain and struggling, it means so much to know we are really cared by someone. We want a gentle touch from a loved one. We want a reassuring word from a friendly doctor. We want a gesture of understanding from someone who has been through the same experience. We want a nurse with a sense of humor and warm, knowing eyes. We want a friend who watches a movie with us. Whether we find that feeling of love within ourselves or through connection to others. Love really is the answer. There is no right way to face the unknown and what lies ahead. Finding the way to our own middle ground where peace and love can take many forms. If you think you are truly enlightened, go and spend a week with your parents. It is a good taste for your degree of presence. The more past you share in relationship, the more present you will be. You will gain most from the experience. Choose to relax, reduce your expectations of what may or may not happen. You must expect little skirmishes, disagreements, moments of humility or of failure, and a distance you may feel with your family as whole. You must know that you are trying to go beyond ego patterns that have been impediments to your soul, and that they care less about ego, presence, and even truth. Love and accept your family at where they are. Have compassion for their pain. Be observant while being engaged as joyously as possible. You should expect to relive some moments rooted in the past. Love and accept the moments for who they are rather than wishing them to be different. Above all, don't just bring present but be present. Feelings are everywhere. Be gentle. Remember to start with yourself and then work out from there. Stepping into the role of detached observer allows us to let things be as they are while maintaining balance. Nothing others do is because of you. What others say and do is a projection of their own reality. Okay, guys, are you nothing of author Aisha Shah? Each and every copyrights are under her authority. I purchased her 8 books, read it, and inspired my life. And I wanted you guys to do not miss out on reading these beautiful books. You guys will love it. For more info, check link below. See ya, guys. Take care. I love you all. Have a great moments of your life. May God bless you all. Amen.